This is our setup and plan. And first and foremost, you go to higher time frame, which is 1 hour, and you can see the market is moving up. Right, then you can clearly see that we had our last break of structure to the downside, and then we had our change of character to the upside external structure. And if you go and check our previous video, I sent this setup from here, and you got a nice entry from here, and we pushed up 1 to 7 risk to reward. Then you can clearly see we have a continuation to the upside, which is a break of structure, and then we have our order block. That one is mitigated already. Also this one, also this one. All the order blocks are mitigated, so we only have this order block down here, this order block. Now our plan is very simple. We just have to wait for the price to come back here, then wait for the confirmation. If you get confirmation, then we continue buying this price, targeting this swing high. You can see it, targeting this swing high. That's scenario number 1. And scenario number 2, if the price comes here and disrespect this order block, then I just wait for the break, then retest, then a continuation to the downside. Those are the 2 scenarios. I'm just waiting. I just have to be patient. Then I see what really happens in the market. Patience is one of the most important things. Right, and first and foremost is always higher time frame. All right, for a bigger picture. You can see the market is still moving up, and our plan is just to wait for the market to come back here and continue up, take out this next swing high. So you can see we have a break. We had our last break of structure to the downside, external structure, and then we had our change of character to the upside with our break of structure to the upside. Then you got 50 minutes for our internal market structure. We didn't have any valid pullback here, so our plan is very simple. And this is our first demand. This is our first demand, and this is our second demand. Our second demand, and this is our extreme demand, right? So we're expecting the price to come back here. If we get confirmation from here, then we buy. If not there, then you have to wait for the confirmation from this order block, or still even on this extreme order block. It depends. And the most important thing is to wait for confirmation and to be patient. That's one of the most important things, so that you can target the next swing high. Those are the 3 scenarios, and the third scenario is just a break and a retest to the downside. The last is just if the price come and disrespect all these order blocks, then I just wait for the break, then a retest, then a continuation to the downside. Right, then for DJ, also simple price action. You can see we have our last break of structure to the upside, and then you have to move to internal structure. You can see at our break of structure to the upside, but this time around it's internal market structure, right? Internal. So you have to be patient, and because the external structure is bullish and internal structure is bearish, so you have to be a little bit more patient and really understand where the market is trying to move before you make any decision. Because you can see here we had the break of structure to the downside, internal structure, and then have our swing high just here, and the price already came back to our discount zone of internal market structure. And then everything is very simple right now. We have our first sell order block, then we just have to wait for the confirmation from here. Then if the price comes and breaks below here, that's one of our confirmations. Then our second confirmation is already only here. Then we're gonna go to 15 minutes, we have an entry in 15, then we go to 5. Our entry is gonna be here. If the price breaks down there, then we're gonna have our something like this, and we target this swing low. Our stop loss will be just above our order block. And then for UJ, super simple price action, you can clearly see super simple. And then you can just have our last break of structure to the downside, and have our change of character to the upside. Then you have our break of structure to the upside, but this time around is internal structure. Then you have our change of character to the downside, and then you have our continuation to the downside. Then the market shifted to the upside, internal structure, but the order block was disrespected. That means it's now our sell breaker block with our change of character to the downside. So our confirmation is just from this candle for the volume, and our extreme confirmation for 1 minute is just from here. Just need to see the 1 minute shifting to the downside, then I will get our extra confirmation. Okay, that's it. Then I think I'll use this 5 minutes fair gap for entry. If the price don't feel it and just drops down like this on 1 minute, okay, that's it guys, and